Inverse variations. Examples. The time t seconds taken to travel a given distance varies inversely with the speed in v meter per second. If t equals to 2 and v equals to 5, find t in terms of v. Solution. Now, from the first statement, the time t taken to travel a given distance varies what? Inversely. Varies inversely is very important. Time what? Time t. Varies what? Inversely. Once you have varies inversely, it's going to be 1 over varies inversely with the speed v meter per second. So it's going to be what? Varies inversely. So you are going to have 1 over v because we are dealing with varies inversely. So that is it. So in that case, if t equals to 2 and v equals to 5, find t in terms of v. Now, the first thing to do is to remove the symbol. Now, we now introduce the constant of proportionality. So in that case, t will be equals to the constant k times 1 over v, where v is proportionality constant. So in that case, we have t equals to what? K times 1. That's k divided by v. We now have t equals to k divided by v. So from here, we go to the second statement. If t equals to 2, and that is if t equals to 2 and v equals to what? 5. So it means that when t is equals to 2, what is the value of v? V equals to 5. So we now have, anywhere we see t, we put in what? The value of 2. Then we have k equals to what? Anywhere we see v, we put in what? 5. How do we find k from here? What do we need to do? We need to cross multiply. Because this is like 2 over 1. By cross multiply, what do we have? It means that k times 1 is equal to 2 times 5. And meaning that what? K equals to 10. 2 times 5 is equals to what? 10. So we know the values of k to be 10. The value of k is 10. Then we go back to the main equation. That is from the first statement. We now have t equals to what? Anyway, we see k now. Since we know the value of k to be 10, we replace k with what? With 10. Well, so we now have t equals to 10 divided by v. So t equals to 10 divided by v is the relationship between t and v. Now, we cannot say t equals to 10 over v, which shows that t is expressed in terms of v. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.